Hey guys, well today, it's actually 3 in the morning, I can't sleep, there's nobody home, so it's just something just popped in my head and try to take advantage of these things when I can. So I've decided just to, well, you know what I'm going to do, I'm going to polish these little bars here because I have a Grimmspeed battery tie down. I bought this back, it would have been 2014 or 2013, I've had this for literally years. So let's just go ahead and open it, I'll show you what it looks like. Just had a blackout too, which is weird. Maybe it's trying to tell me something. But, yeah, having trouble sleeping. So let's have a look here. It's a nice aluminium piece here by Grimmspeed, as I said. It's very nice. It's replicating the boxer engine and the pistons there, which is a nice little touch. And this replaces the factory tie down here, as you can see, which is in good condition as well. But yeah, if you're going to put on something nice, you might as well polish everything else so it looks nice also. Okay, so hopefully yeah, what we're going to need here is just a wire brush for the drill, just to get into the crook in here. Okay, and then just another one here just to get off the anodizing. In the old days I would have just sanded this, but now that I've actually got a drill I can make use of these wire brushes and hopefully it'll go a little bit easier. But be careful of the threads too, which is not too much of a problem when we're just polishing. And to do this again, we're going to use the good old auto sol. Okay, it's been working so far well, so hopefully that goes good. And we've got the polishing tips from all the other bolts. It's still got some life in them, so I'll just try to keep using these a little bit longer. And yeah, these ones here should do quite well. So yeah, I'll start polishing this until the battery goes out, and then I'll show you what it looks like when I got better light tomorrow sometime. Alright guys, so yeah, let's get onto it. Cheers. Oh, by the way too, just so you can see here, it's exactly the same, and it does cover the battery. I've checked outside there on the actual car. But yeah, it's basically pretty much the exact same dimensions there. Okay guys, so yeah, so let's give it a go. This one here too goes on the back side, and this one here goes on the front side there. There's two little hooks, so it's quite easy to hook back in once you're done. You can see here, it's well, you can't, maybe you can, but it feels quite pitted, so yeah, we'll just get all that off too. And that's the bolts for before and after. They're all quite corroded as well, much like the other ones. So yeah, we'll just get these back up to spec, yeah. And we've got this to rub off any excess polish. Oh, something else too, you'll need a 10mm socket to remove these bolts as well. Okay guys, and there we go. All polished, nice and shiny. Okay, so yeah, tomorrow I'll show you what this looks like. We'll put it all in the engine bay, and that'll be another thing done. Alright guys, cheers. guys, the Grimmspeed battery tie down. On a sunny day that'll pop a little bit more. It's kind of hard to see on a dull day like this, but yeah, you get the idea. Okay guys, too easy. Okay guys, while we're here I'm just going to put in the 86 oil cap as well. This is a billet one, again by Grimmspeed. It's quite a nice item. Okay, it's got a very large gasket here underneath, sorry. Okay, evidently it's hand painted in here, it's been very nicely finished, so we're just going to go ahead and put that in as well. This one here replaces the yellow one by the oil filter. Okay, the red nicely ties into the battery tie that we just stuck in as well, so we'll just go ahead and remove that. Be really careful around these edges too, it's incredibly sharp, as I found out when I was cleaning around here. Just go ahead and stick this in. Okay, and there we go, it's done. Nicely matches the strut bar, the grey and red theme there. Not too much red. Yeah, it looks really nice. Cheers guys, thank you.